Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm good. Good. Thank you.
Doctor,
What?
yes, video today. With this, Tigger, Bua, and Kiki. For now, we have 11 students. Let's wait for some more, then we can start. Sorry, I'm not used to your real name. I know your nickname. Did you have lunch?
School. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I think we can start. We already have half of the class. So, do you know what is our subject for today? It's math. Our subject for today is math, and our lesson for today is about. So, our lesson for today is about three-dimensional shapes. 3D. Three-dimensional shapes. So in this topic, we also have our subtopics. So two-dimensional shapes, 2D shapes, three-dimensional shape or 3D shape. Identifying two-dimensional shapes from three-dimensional solids. And we will also study components of three-dimensional geometry or 3D shapes. So let's continue with our first subtopic, which is the two-dimensional shapes. This one, a round plane figure whose boundary or circumference consists of point equidistant from a fixed point center. What shape is this? Who can guess?
Circle.
Circle. Very good.
Circle.
How do you draw a circle? Okay, can you draw a circle on the screen? You can
Screen?
do, yep, like this. Is this a circle?
Okay.
Anyone else wants to draw? Okay, that is Kiki's circle, double circle. Okay. Oh, that's Bua's circle. Bua, is that your circle? Okay, so let's move on. Okay, not about that. Okay. I will erase first. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Okay, enough drawing. I will let you draw again later. So circle. This is a circle. And this is an example of a circle. What is this? A clock is an example. Yes, a clock is an example of a circle. Let's go on with the next 2D shape. I will read. A plane figure with four equal straight sides and four right angles. What shape is this? A plane figure with four equal straight sides. Okay, very good. It's a square. Okay, can you draw your squares? Let's see who has the best square. Okay, that's Chayapasi's square. That's Bua's square. Anyone else? See game. Okay.
Me.
Can't draw it. It's not a square.
Ugly.
Okay, blue day. Okay, so it's clear again.
The word.
So this is a square. And an example of square is this one. What is that? Okay, chessboard. Chessboard. Next, let's go with our next 2D shape, which is a plane figure with 3 straight sides and 3 angles. What shape is this? A plane figure
Triangle.
with 3. Okay,
Oh,
very good. It's triangle. Now, draw again your triangle. Okay, this is my triangle. Oh, no, I cannot. I don't have shapes. Okay, very good. This is my triangle. Yeah.
Oh,
Anyone else who wants to draw? I'll give you time to draw today. No more? Okay, that's Bua's triangle. Okay, next, let's continue. So this is a triangle. An example of triangle is, what is this? Anyone knows what?
cheese.
Okay, chips.
Chips.
Doritos. Okay. Next, 2D shape, we have a plane figure with 4 sides and 4 right angles, especially one with an equal adjacent side in contrast with square. So it also has 4 sides and 4 right angles. What shape is this? Aside from square. Can anyone guess? Rectangle. Okay, rectangle. Very good. This is rectangle. Okay, draw your rectangles. This is teacher's rectangle. Okay. Very good. Okay. Very good. So we check that's a square. Okay. Okay. I think that's enough. Enough. So example of okay. This is a rectangle. And a good example is a ruler. Your ruler, the one you use in school. Now going to number 2 subtopic, which is the 3-dimensional shapes or 3D shapes. What 3D shapes do you know? Okay, a solid or hollow object with tapers from a circular or roughly circular base to a point. This is called as cone. Remember the name, okay? Cone. So this is a cone. It's a 3D shape. A good example is an ice cream cone or a party hat. You know a party hat? Party hat. Yes? Okay. We done? Can we move to the next slide? Yes? Okay. I'll give you time to... Oh, okay, okay. I thought you're going to write. Okay, next. What is this? A solid figure with straight parallel sides. Here, straight parallel sides and a circular or oval section. Straight parallel is this part. Parallel side. Okay. And circular or oval section is this part. Okay. What do we call this shape? Can anyone guess what do we call this shape? No? Okay, this is a cylinder. Cylinder. You can unmute your mic if you want to answer. Okay, this is a cylinder. A 3D shape. Example. This is an example. A medicine container. Let's go to the next 3D shape. I think this is easy for you. A symmetrical three-dimensional shape, either solid or hollow, contained by 6 equal squares. What shape is this? Anyone? Can anyone guess what shape is this?
Cube.
Cube. Okay, very good. It's called cube. Very good. It's cube. Example is the Rubik's cube. It has 6 equal squares or 6 equal sides. Next, a solid which has 6 rectangular faces at right angles to each other. What do we call this 3D shape? Can anyone guess? No one? Okay. It is cuboid. Cuboid. Okay. It has 6 rectangular faces at right angles to each other. So this is cuboid. And an example is a box or treasure box. How about this one? A round solid figure or its surface with every point to its surface equidistant from its center. What is this? Anyone? You can unmute your microphones if you want to answer. If not, okay, I will give you the answer. It's called sphere. Sphere. It's a sphere. How about this one? A monumental structure with a square or triangular base, sloping sides that meet at the top. What do we call this 3D shape? What do we call this shape?
Pyramid.
Pyramid. Oh, okay. Pyramid. Very good. Pyramid. Just in time. So this is another 3D shape called pyramid. Are we good? Next. So it is a solid geometrical figure whose two end spaces are similar, equal and parallel. Rectilinear figures and whose sides are parallelogram. Hey, what shape is this? It is called prism. Prism. Okay. This is a prism. Prism. Example is this cheese. Okay. Did you get it?
ไปนอน ไม่มีใครรักพี่
Okay. Let's go on with our topic. So we are now in number 3 subtopic, which is the identifying the two-dimensional shapes from three-dimensional solid. So we will find out what are the shapes we can find in a three-dimensional shape. What 2D shapes can we find in 3D shapes? But before we go on, what shape is this? What is the name of this 3D shape? Can anyone guess again?
Sphere.
Sphere, very good. So in a sphere, we can find what 2D shape? What 2D shape can we find
Circle.
in a sphere? Very good. It's circle. Next. What shape is this?
Cone.
Cone. Okay, very good. It's cone. So what 3D or 2D shapes, can we find in a 3D shape cone? What 2D shapes can we find in a cone? We have two shapes. We can find here two shapes. What are these shapes? We have again. Okay. We can find
Circle and triangle.
very good. We can find a triangle and a circle. Very good. Who answered that? Max? Is that Max? Yeah, I think so. Okay. Next. A cylinder. So what 2D shapes can we find in a cylinder? Oh, sorry, I gave the name. Okay, what 2D shapes can we find in a cylinder? Anyone? Any guess? What 2D shapes can we find?
Rectangle and circle.
Okay, we can find a rectangle and a circle. Next. How about here? In this 3D shape, what 2D shape can we find here? Oh wait, what is the name of this 3D shape? What is the name of this again?
Cube.
Cube. Very good. Cube. So we can find what 2D shape?
Square.
Square. Okay.
Square.
We can find a square. Next. This is a 3D shape. What is the name? What is the name of this 3D shape?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Very good. Cuboid. And what 2D shapes can we find in a cuboid? We can find
Rectangle.
and
Rectangle.
okay, maybe we can find rectangles, but it depends on the cuboid. Sometimes you can find rectangle and a square. Okay. Sometimes it's both rectangle. Okay. It depends on your cuboid. Next, what 3D shape is this?
Pyramid.
Pyramid. Very good. This is called pyramid. And what 2D shapes can we find in a pyramid?
Triangle.
Triangle.
And triangle and
Square.
Square.
Very good. Triangle and square. Square is under. Next, in a what shape is this?
Prism.
Prism. Okay, prism. What shapes can we find in a prism? Triangle and
Rectangle.
very good. Rectangle. Triangle and rectangle. Next. Okay, number 4. Here we will study the components of 3-dimensional geometry or their parts. Okay, their parts. What shape is this again?
Cone.
Cone. Cone. So in a cone, we have the apex, the base. Okay, the apex and the base. Okay, these are the part of a cone. Next, what shape is this? What shape is this again? Cylinder. Okay, this is a cylinder. In a cylinder, we have a base on top and a base below. So we have 2 bases. Next, what shape is this?
Cube.
Cube. Very good. It's a cube. So in a cube, there are face, edge, and vertex. Face is the flat surface. Edge is the here, this part. We have how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. And the corner, called it vertex. Okay, this part, vertex. How about this one? What shape is this?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Okay, very good. It's a cuboid. So in a cuboid, we have face, edge, and vertex. The same with cube. Okay, it is the same with cube. And here, what shape is this again? What shape is this again?
Pyramid.
Pyramid. Very good. Pyramid. Pyramid. So pyramid and prism, they have almost the same parts or components. We have the face. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is apex. Sorry, this is apex, edge, and lateral face and base. Okay. So, exercise. Identify the names of the three-dimensional shapes. Do you still remember the names of our 3D shapes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. But before
Yes.
that, I'll let you watch a video to review before we have the
Okay.
exercise.
Three-dimensional or 3D shapes are shapes that take up space. They have 3 dimensions: length, width, and height. The world is made up of 3D shapes. They are all the things we can hold. Your book is a 3D shape. So is your soccer ball, as well as your birthday presents. Can you see how they each take up space? There are some features that are common across 3-dimensional shapes. These features include faces, edges, and corners. The flat surfaces of a shape are called faces. No, not that type of face. The edge of a 3D shape is the line where 2 of its surfaces meet. And the corner is where 2 or more edges meet. A corner can also be called a vertex. The faces of 3D shapes often contain 2D shapes that you may already know. Maybe you can recognize some of these 2D shapes as we go through a few examples. Here are some 3-dimensional shapes and their features. This shape is a cube. A cube has 6 faces that are identical, 12 edges, and 8 corners. All of the faces, edges, and corners are the same size and length. Can you see how each face of the cube is a square? This shape is called a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners. It's very similar to the cube, except instead of all the faces being squares, they're rectangles. The opposite faces of a rectangular prism are always the same size. This shape is a triangular prism. A triangular prism has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 corners. Triangular prisms have 2 faces that are triangles and 3 faces that are rectangles. The 2 triangle faces are always the same size. However, some 3D shapes have more than just flat surfaces. Some have curved surfaces. But we don't call them faces because faces are always flat. This shape is called a cylinder. A cylinder has 2 circles on each end that are the same size, with a tube in the middle. It has two flat faces and one curved surface. The cylinder also has two edges, but no corners. Remember, a corner is where two or more edges meet. In a cylinder, there are no corners because its two edges do not meet. This is a cone. Not an ice cream cone, unfortunately, but it is the same shape. A cone has a circle at its base and a point at the other end. It has one flat face, one curved surface, one edge around its base, but no corners. This unique shape is a sphere. It's perfectly round, just like a ball. This means it has no flat faces, no edges, and no corners. Just one curved surface. How unique is that? That's what makes a sphere the perfect shape for a ball. It rolls around easily in any direction, and you can kick it without banging your toe on a sharp corner. Now that you know some three-dimensional shapes, perhaps you can spot a few examples of them in your classroom or outside in the playground.
Okay, did you understand? Did you understand the video?
Yes.
Wait, I'll just unmute you all. Okay. So if who wants to answer, you can unmute your mic, okay? Everyone can answer. For number one, what shape is this? What shape is
Cube.
number one? Cube. Okay. So
The
Kiki
cube.
answered.
Cube.
Next, number two, who wants to answer?
Me.
Who's that? C game. Oh no. Who's that?
Cylinder.
Okay. C game said cylinder. Yes, very good. How about number three? What shape is this?
Me.
Cone.
Cone. Okay. So if you can answer, everyone can answer. Okay. Everyone, anyone, or everyone can answer. Number four. What shape is this?
Prism.
Prism. Very good. Prism. Number five. How about number five? What shape is
Pyramid.
number five?
Pyramid.
Pyramid. Number six.
Pyramid.
Number seven.
Sphere.
Sphere. Okay. Number eight.
Sphere.
Sphere. Number nine.
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Number 10. Again.
Cone.
Cone. 11.
Cone.
11.
Prism.
Prism. Okay. 12. Cuboid. Number 13.
Cylinder.
Cylinder. 14.
Cuboid.
Cuboid. 15. Cylinder. 16.
Sphere.
Sphere. 17. 17. Cylinder. And number 18 is? What's number 18?
Prism.
Prism. Okay, so that ends my PowerPoint presentation. So, did you understand our lesson for today? Is it
Yeah.
easy or hard?
Normal.
Normal. Okay, very good. So, do you have any questions?
Oh. No.
No. Can you
Oh.
find any 3D shapes around you? What shape is Jenny holding? Okay, it's a cylinder. Anyone else who wants to show 3D shapes? No more? Okay, that's all for today, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye bye.